Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll to find the proper option, which is called security. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down to find more security settings and tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see, almost at the very bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it with tapping on OK. And as you can see, not only we had the information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.